Hi everyone, welcome back to Sooinfused. Today's drink is going to be a vodka based cocktail. Fresh, easy, and as I always say, delicious. The drink is going to be called Green Magic, just like my friend says.
My man.
We're going to be using freshly juiced cucumber, basil, elderflower, and vodka. So guys, take your time, whenever you're ready, let's get to this. Add 3 basil leaves to a Boston glass, 50 milliliters of vodka, 35 milliliters of freshly juiced cucumber, 25 milliliters of Elderflower Cordial. Fill your Boston glass with some ice. Give it a very good shake until chilled. Now you double strain your cocktail into a champagne coupe. Garnish with a cucumber peel. And there you have it, your green magic. Enjoy.
My man.
Hi.
My name is...
Sorry. Should I take this away or should I leave it here? Welcome back to Sooinfused. Hi. Next time again. Today we're going to be doing a vodka based cocktail. Oh my god. I don't like this.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready with your ingredients, fuck hell!